Welcome back to another wonderful DIY. I'm going to show you all how I did this beautiful, wonderful Mother's Day DIY gift. And it's very simple, very easy to make. And I'm telling you all, I think this had outdid everything that I've done so far, especially for a wonderful, beautiful Mother's Day gift. First time I did it, and I think I'm in love with it. So you all stay tuned. I'm going to show you all exactly what I used and how I achieved this wonderful, wonderful gift. Ain't this beautiful? It's just so beautiful. And I'm super duper loving this, like literally loving this. So you all stay tuned. I'm going to show you all how I did it. And make sure you subscribe if you have not subscribed yet. Frederica Nation, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the ring bell so you never miss an upload. But let me show you all how I achieved this wonderful, beautiful look. Welcome back to Frederica Nation, y'all. Listen, as I showed you all, I'm going to show you all how I did this wonderful, beautiful DIY, wonderful Mother's Day gift. It was super simple. And let me tell you all the items that I used and where I get them from. It's really not very expensive at all. I got most of these items from the Dollar Tree. You're gonna need some candle holders. I got white flowers this time instead of the red ones because I'm making two different Mother's Day gifts. You're gonna need some flora beads that came from the Dollar Tree. You're gonna need some rhinestones wrap that came from the Dollar Tree as well, a canister that came from the Dollar Tree, a vase that came from the Dollar Tree as well, and a bowl that came from the Dollar Tree. Of course, a hot glue gun back here and some glue sticks.